In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Outlook view in just 5 minutes. If you've ever thought that the default setup just isn't quite right for you, or if you're looking to boost your productivity by having everything laid out exactly how you want it, then this video is for you. So grab your device, log into your Outlook account, and let's get started. First, you'll want to access Outlook through the Microsoft 365 portal. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. This is where you'll enter your credentials to sign in. If you haven't logged in recently, or if your browser doesn't save your credentials, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, this is where the magic of customization begins. Next, head over to your mail. This is your main hub in Outlook, where you likely spend most of your time managing emails. Once you're in your mail, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. You should see the option labeled View. Give that a click. This View button is like your gateway to personalizing how you see your inbox. Think of it as customizing a workspace that you'll find most comfortable and efficient to tackle the flood of emails. Now that you've clicked on View, you'll see a drop-down menu which includes various options to modify your Outlook. Focus on View Settings from these options. By clicking on View Settings, you're entering a zone where you can really start to tweak things to your liking. It's akin to outfitting your car with all your favourite bells and whistles. You're making sure that everything is exactly where you want it for the smoothest drive. With the View Settings panel open, you'll now click on the option labelled Layout. The layout option is where you can adjust broader aspects of how your emails and information are displayed. This is your opportunity to play around and see what fits your workflow best. Finally, you'll select Choose a View. This is where you get to decide which preset Outlook view works best for you. Do you want a compact view to see more emails at a glance? Or do you prefer a focused layout for thorough management of individual messages? Whatever you choose, this will define how you interact with your inbox on a daily basis. Through these steps, what we're really doing is transforming Outlook from a generic email tool into something that feels more intuitive and tailored to your needs. Customizing your view allows you to work more efficiently, helping to boost productivity by ensuring that everything you use most often is right at your fingertips. It's an act of streamlining your digital workspace so that you don't feel overwhelmed by clutter or irrelevant information. As you explore these settings, don't be afraid to experiment a little. Sometimes it's the smallest adjustment that makes the biggest difference, like a slight change in column widths so you can see more subject text in your emails, or a different reading pane setup that makes scanning through messages just a bit easier on the eyes. The more you tweak and adjust, the more you'll uncover about what truly works for you. And that's the beauty of personalized settings. Even though we've covered the essentials, remember that Outlook's flexibility with view settings encourages a bit of play. The best setup is one that minimizes friction and maximizes productivity. So if something doesn't seem right, or if another configuration might work better as your needs change over time, revisit these settings and make those tweaks. To wrap things up, changing your Outlook view is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that supports your workflow and enhances your experience, ensuring every day is productive and stress-free. If you have any further questions or need more tips, feel free to reach out or check out other tutorial videos on similar topics. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this short guide not only helpful but also empowering as you customize your Outlook experience.